Yep, my name is Bill Long, and I work for Midwest Hardwood Corporation, based in Minneapolis, Minnesota, in the United States. We're a producer of hardwood lumber and logs, and we're here looking for potential customers to buy products typically going into flooring, furniture, molding, millwork. And so far the show has been very well attended. We've had a lot of potential customers and existing customers come by and visit. Can't say enough good things about it. It's been really positive. Everybody's looking to buy more lumber, and we've seen quite a few potential new customers as well. So things are going really well. It's been a busy day, and hopefully it'll continue for the rest of the days. We're always looking to expand markets, and this gives us an opportunity to meet with customers from regions that we don't normally get a lot of. North African, India, Pakistan will attend this show. So their customers that we don't normally see at any other trade show are available at this show. So we get a new range of customers and potential customers visiting here in Dubai.